Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by confirming a few essentials. Your iPhone must run a supported iOS and be signed into Icloud. Once done, make sure you have an active Wi-Fi or cellular connection so changes sync. Now open Settings and tap your name at the top, then select iCloud. This is where Private Relay lives. You're starting the process immediately so you can toggle the feature, follow the next steps to find Private Relay, and prepare to turn it off safely. Once you're in iCloud settings, tap Private Relay to reveal its status and options. You'll see a single toggle, flip it off, and pay attention to the confirmation prompt that explains what disabling means for your IP and browsing. If the interface asks whether to disable on Wi-Fi, cellular, or both, choose based on your privacy needs and data plan. Make the selection deliberately. Turning it off affects how websites see your location and which IP addresses are exposed. After you disable Private Relay, confirm the toggle reads off and then load a web page to ensure traffic no longer routes through Apple's Relay. If the option is grayed out, check for restrictions. Verify screen time content limits, Apple ID status, or an active VPN/MDM profile that might enforce settings. If changes don't apply, restart your iPhone and try toggling again. This often clears transient policy locks. One key troubleshooting tip: sign out of iCloud only as a last resort, because that affects backups and sync data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.